Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video we're discussing how to transfer money from Raiffeisen Bank, and let us begin. So firstly, you need to of course log in with your username and password by using the bank or the website. So if you want to start, tap on the payments or transfer option after authenticating into your account. For local transfers, choose domestic transfer. For international ones, select international transfer, which is going to be SWIFT and IBAN. After that, fill in the recipient's account number or IBAN. Provide the recipient's name and bank details. Specify the amounts you want to send. Choose the currency, if applicable. Review all the details to ensure accuracy. Authorize the transaction via SMS, OTP, PIN, or biometric confirmation. After confirmation, download or screenshot the receipt for your records. Also, just like I said, you can do this in the web browser. Just log in, go to the payments and transfers, and follow the same steps as in the mobile name. So enter the details, amounts, and authorize the transaction. And lastly, guys, method number 3, the final one. If you prefer in-person banking, you can bring a valid ID and your account details to a branch. Fill out the transfer request form with the recipient's details, submit the form, and the bank teller will process the transaction for you. And in terms of the important tips, ensure the recipient's details are accurate. For international transfers, confirm the correct SWIFT or BIC code and IBAN, and also be aware of fees. And guys, also if you encounter any issues, the bank's customer support can always assist you directly. Enjoy the video, press like and subscribe. See you very soon in the next one.